Hi guys, this week we have been talking all about problems that we see in our classroom or around our school. So today, your job is to draw your poster. Okay, so get out the poster paper that we gave you yesterday at school that we sent home and get your pencil and let's get started. I am going to write about trash being on the floor. I think that's a problem because it makes our classroom look dirty. It can make our classroom stink, and somebody could trip or slip on the trash. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing my picture. Okay, so here's my trash can, and here's the trash. It's not in the trash can, it's on the floor. Okay, I'm going to draw a table over here too. Okay, and there's trash over here next to the table. Okay. So this is a problem because it has trash on the floor that makes our classroom look dirty. It's a problem because it can make our classroom stink. And it's a problem because someone could trip. Okay, so I'm going to make these little squiggles that makes it look like it stink. It makes it look dirty. And then I'm going to draw a person trying to walk, but they can't walk because there is so much trash that they trip on the floor. Okay, so this is my poster for today. I picked a problem and I drew the problem, but I also told you guys why it's a problem. It stinks. Good. It stinks. This one, someone could trip. Good. I trip. Someone could trip. And dirty. Dirty. Okay. Here's my problem, and here are the reasons why.